Hello friends, welcome to our channel RG Hub. In this channel, we make learning Gujarati fun and easy. In today's video, we are going to teach you two things. One, how to write days of the week in Gujarati, and second, how to pronounce them in Gujarati. So, if you are ready to expand your language skills in Gujarati, let's dive right in. Learning days of the week is important in day-to-day conversations. Learning and speaking them in a different language can be challenging. But don't worry, we are here to make it simple. So let's start. First, days of the week is called as Athwadiyana Divso. So English for day becomes Divas in Gujarati, which is pronunciation as D-I-V-A-S. D-I becomes D, A becomes V, and S becomes Sa. So D-I-V-A-S becomes Divasha. So day is called Divas in Gujarati. And the plural for day is days, and the plural for divas is divso in Gujarati, which is pronunciation as D-I-V-A-S-O. D-I becomes D, V becomes V, S-O becomes so. So that becomes divaso. Our next word is week, which is called Athwadiyu in Gujarati. Once again, it is called Athwadiyu, which is pronunciation as A-T-H-V-A-D-I-Y-U. E becomes A, T-H becomes T, P-A becomes Va, D-I becomes D, and Y-U becomes U. All together it becomes Athwadiyu. The plural for week is weeks, and it is called Athwadiya. So only the last U becomes A, which is now A-T-H-V-I-D-A-Y-A. So it is called Athwadiya. Our next term is Sunday. Sunday is called Ravivara, which is pronounced as R-A-V-I-V-A-R. R-A becomes R, V-I becomes V, V-A becomes Va, and R becomes Ra. So Sunday is called Ravivara. Monday is called Somvar, which is pronounced as S-O-M-V-A-R. S-O becomes So, M becomes Ma, V-A becomes Va, R becomes Ra. So Monday is called Somvar. The next word is Tuesday, which is called Mangalavara. So which is pronounced as M-A-N-G-A-L-V-A-R. M-A-N becomes Ma, Man, G-A becomes Ga, L becomes Ala. It is not La but Ala. V-A becomes Va, R becomes Ra. So all together it becomes Mangalavara. Tuesday is called Mangalavara. Wednesday is called Budhvara, which is pronounced as B-U-D-H-V-A-R. U becomes Bu, D-H becomes The, D becomes Va, R becomes Ra. So Wednesday becomes Budhvara. The next term is Thursday, which is Guruvara, which is pronounced as G-U-R-U-V-A-R. Guruvara. G-U becomes Gu, R-U becomes Ru, V-A becomes Va, R becomes Ra. So Thursday becomes Guruvara. And Friday is called Shukravara, which is pronounced as S-H-U-K-R-A-V-A-R. Shukravara. S-H-U becomes Su, K-R-E becomes Kra, V-A becomes Va, R becomes Ra. Shukravara. Next, our term is Saturday, which is called Shanivar. It's pronounced as Shanivar. Sha becomes Sa, Ni becomes Ni, Va becomes Va, R becomes Ra. Shanivar. So that concludes all our days of the week. Please subscribe to our channel RG Hub. That concludes our learning Gujarati days of the week today. How did you do? Let us know what you think in the comments below. And if you have any questions or topics you would like us to cover in the future videos, feel free to suggest them. Don't forget to check out our other videos. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the notifications bell to stay updated with our latest content. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.